This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch the control panel, which you can very easily do by swiping downward from the right part of your status bar. Among the shortcuts that are available to you, touch and hold at the one that says Wi-Fi. Once at the internet settings page, tap at the network that you are currently connected to, assuming that this is the network that you wanted to share the password of. Once at the network details page, tap at the share icon to your right, and at the following share Wi-Fi section, you will be provided with the password to the chosen Wi-Fi network, as well as QR code that you can further use, or rather scan, and get automatically connected to the Wi-Fi network in question. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.